Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla, and here for the next World Hoop Day combination, which goes with the lyrics. So you're going to take this out with a left lunge out in wall plane. 1, 2, this is getting low, and then you're going to take this around getting high, that's 3, 4, and then you're going from the morning to the night. So you're going to do wave, wave, pendulum, pendulum, rolls on the back of the hand. Then put the hoop on the body, and then it goes spinning circles around to the morning to the night. So you're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring the hoop off on 8. So what that looks like is you're taking it out in a linear isolation. 1, 2, around 3, 4, grip, 5, 6, wave left, wave right, and then wave pendulum left, pendulum right. Put the hoop on the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, coming up 5, 6, 7, coming off the body 8. That's it. Round count, peace out. Go practice. Bye.